Stormageddon, ladies and gentlemen. It's been snowing since about 1:30 p.m. yesterday. Still going. They claim it's supposed to stop in a few hours. Maybe a couple hours, I don't know. Hope it stops soon. It's exactly like 2010. And back then, I didn't have a camera. So, not like this one. So, yeah, I can show you what it was like. But, well, actually I can now because of this. It was basically like this. Exactly like this. See that? That's the hedge in front of our house. But you can barely tell because of all the snow on it. Ugh. It's so dark, I don't even know if you can see the icicles up there. So yeah, lots of snow. I'm going to have a lot of shoveling to do. Look at the car. It is completely buried. Yeah, it's a lot of snow. So we've been out here since around maybe 6:30 in the morning. Came out around 6:30, I think. And we've cleared the walkway. Just gotta clear the driveway now. Look at that mound. Look at that. That is a lot. So it's a little after 9 now. So we've been out here for almost 3 hours. But we've made some progress. My dad's looking at me right now. Look at that mound. I hope you can see that. But look at those icicles. I think they're bigger than the ones we had last year.